To add Apple Pay to Express checkout on Shopify, start by ensuring your store meets the requirements. Your store must be using a compatible theme and have a supported payment gateway. Currently, Shopify supports Apple Pay with a range of payment gateways including Stripe, PayPal, and Authorize.net. First, go to the Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings, then Payments. In the Payment settings, click on the Add Payment Method button and select Apple Pay from the list of available payment methods. If you have not already set up a payment gateway, you will be prompted to do so. Once you have selected Apple Pay, you will need to configure the settings. This includes agreeing to the terms and conditions and setting up the payment gateway to work with Apple Pay. You will also need to verify your business information to ensure it matches the information on file with Apple. After configuring the settings, you can test Apple Pay to ensure it is working correctly. To do this, go to the checkout page of your store and select Apple Pay as the payment method. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to complete the payment using Apple Pay. To add Apple Pay to Express checkout, navigate to the Checkout settings in the Shopify admin panel. In the Checkout settings, select the Express Checkout tab and toggle the Apple Pay switch to enable it. You can also customize the appearance of the Apple Pay button to match your store's branding. Best practices for implementing Apple Pay on Shopify include ensuring your store is optimized for mobile devices. As Apple Pay is primarily used on mobile devices, you should also ensure that your store's checkout process is streamlined and easy to use to minimize cart abandonment. By following these steps, you can easily add Apple Pay to Express checkout on Shopify, providing your customers with a convenient and secure payment method. This can help to increase conversions and improve the overall customer experience. With Apple Pay, customers can quickly and easily complete payments without having to enter their credit card information, making it a valuable addition to any Shopify store.